And hey Roamster, it's Derek's last 2 days in the Philippines and we are here right now at Bayview Park Hotel in Manila. Kadarating lang namin and we're going to walk outside to buy some few stops in maglakad na rin ng konti.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last.
Nakikita niyo ba kung nasaan ako? I am here right now sa Rizal Park. Papalipas ng hapon, kakakain lang namin from Burger King. And kakatapos lang mag-check-in sa hotel and then lumabas kami kasi nagugutom ako. And we're here right now kay Bazarsal. back from Luneta Park and Dolomite Beach. And we are here right now sa aming room. And this guy right here doesn't know how to use this water heater. Hindi maalam gumamit ng water heater. Gustong mag-tea, hindi maalam gumamit ng water heater. And tuturuan ko siya. Ayan. Init lang kami ng water for the tea, and I'll see you in a bit. Bye-bye. Dahil andito na rin naman kami, I'll give you a tour of our room. I had it by a Klook, and got it for around less than 3,000 pesos, but normally it's around 5,000. And because I am new to Klook, they gave me this discount thingy, kaya less than 3,000 lang siya. And hindi pala less than 3,000 kasi including the charges and the breakfasting, parang umabot siya ng almost 7, pero dapat is almost 10 siya. And dahil nga nagbigay si Klook ng discount, we got it for around 7,000 pesos only. And I'll show you the room. This is one bed. Ayan. Kakagaling lang ng Dolomites, kaya haggard ako. This is one bed sa likod ko, and there is another bed there. And they have 2 complimentary water every day. They also have 2 complimentary tea and coffee and cream. May mini bar dito, pero ewan ko, walang laman yung mini bar nila ngayon. Maybe because of the pandemic. Ang laman nito is binili namin sa 7-Eleven. It's written there na kailangan may permit from the front desk pang magdala ng pagkain, pero ang dami naming dala from 7-Eleven. Hindi naman kami sinita, so probably hindi muna pinapatupad yung rules dahil nga sa pandemic, dahil nga sa corona, and walang laman yung fridge, kaya nakapagpasok kami ng food. Pero maybe kung may laman yung minibar, pagbabawalan kaming magdala nun. And may TV dyan, and may maliit na reclining chair dito, at nandyan yung gamit namin, makalat, sapatos. And this is how the room looks. Nandyan si Derek, kukutkot ng kanyang cellphone. And I'll show you this toilet. Nasaan ang ilaw? Nawala ang ilaw. Here. This is the toilet. May isang lavatory dito for hand washing, and may full length mirror. And then here is the cupboard. And dyan, jacket lang nakalagay kasi hindi naman kami naglabas ng gamit from our luggage. And may provided silang ironing board and weighing scale. Also, there's a safe here para sa mga gamit mo. And syempre, the complimentary thing, lotion, bubble bath, shower cup, soap, and yan. And here is the, medyo maliit yung bathroom nila. May maliit lang na tub dyan. And there's rain shower here. Tapos yun yung toilet bowl. Maliit lang. And okay naman siya. Free wifi. And yun nga, tahimik. And provided nila ang hair blower, ang iron. And normally, doon sa house rules is kailangan mong mag-request for that with extra charge, pero it is included na by a clue. Kaya yun. And they do have this massage thing in your room for 800 pesos minimum, I think. And then if with aromatherapy, it's like 1,200. And ayun, malapit siya sa anywhere, kasi kanina naglakad lang kami going Luneta, Rizal Park, and Dolomite Beach. And tomorrow we're going Manila Ocean Park. I don't know if we're going to go by taxi or maglakad na lang uli kami to burn calories na kinain namin lahat doon sa Quezon. So, ayon, this is where I will end this video right now. Yung stay namin dito sa first night namin dito sa Bayview Park and Hotel. And kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, pakiclick ang like button, pakisubscribe mo na rin kung bago sa aking channel, at kung kalimutan i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng videos na gagawin ko. And once again, kung kaya magpasaya ng isang tao, gawin mo, dahil bawat taong napapasaya mo, isang depresyon sa bayang inubabawas. Bye!